Hello students, in today's class I am going to explain your grammar book first chapter, the sentence. As you can see on the board, I have written some points over the board. So in today's class I will explain the topic, the sentence in detail. Okay, so your grammar book first chapter is the sentence. Now what is the sentence? Sentence means a group of words which gives sense is called a sentence. I repeat, a group of words that makes a sense is called a sentence. Clear? What is sentence? A group of words that makes a sense is called a sentence. For example, he is my brother. Clear? Next sentence is the brother is my he. I have written two sentences here, but first sentence he is my brother makes sense, while second sentence brother is my he not make a complete sense or maybe senseless. Clear? So that is why this sentence is a sentence, while this sentence is not considered as a sentence because this sentence makes no sense. Now the second point is parts of a sentence. Every sentence has divided into two parts: subject and predicate. Clear? Subject and predicate. Now what is subject? Subject, the part of the sentence that names of the person or thing we are talking about, we are speaking about, is called the subject of the sentence. The part which names of the thing or person we are speaking about is called subject of the sentence. What is the predicate? The part which tells something about the subject is called the predicate of the sentence. For example, he gave me a bunch of flowers. Flowers. Here, he is the subject, while give me a bunch of flowers is a predicate. Clear? Because how we find out that he is the subject and the rest of the part is a predicate? What is the subject? Subjects means the part which names the person or thing is called a subject. So he is the person, is a pronoun. He is the person that's who gave me a bunch of flowers. That is why this part is known as a subject. Gave me a bunch of flowers, actually telling us something about the subject. What is the subject gave us? The subject gave us a bunch of flowers. So this part is of the sentence tells something about the subject. That is why this part of the sentence is known as a predicate and this part of the sentence is known as a subject. Clear? Now kinds of a sentence. Kinds of a sentence. There are four kinds of sentence. There are four kinds of sentence: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Now I am going to explain all these kinds of a sentence in detail. Now what is an assertive sentence? Assertive sentence means a sentence that makes a statement or assertion is called a assertive sentence. Assertive sentence further can be divided into two parts, which is affirmative and negative. Assertive sentence can be divided into two parts. One is affirmative and second one is negative. For example, he goes to market. This sentence is affirmative sentence, okay, and he did not work hard. This sentence is negative. So all affirmative sentence can be called out as a positive sentence. Okay, affirmative sentence, positive sentence, both are the same thing. So affirmative sentence as well as negative sentence, also known as a assertive sentence. An assertive sentence also have another name, that is declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. So don't be confused between the assertive sentence and declarative sentence. Both are the same thing. We can say assertive sentence or we can say declarative sentence. So it is clear what is the assertive sentence. Assertive sentence means a sentence that gives a statement or assertion is called a assertive sentence. Assertive sentence can be divided in two parts. One is affirmative sentence and second one is negative sentence. Now come to the interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. And all the interrogative sentence end with a interrogative sign. And assertive sentence, all the assertive sentence ends with a full stop. Clear? And interrogative sentence also can be divided into two parts. Yes no questions and WH questions. Now what is yes no questions and WH question? Yes no question means a question which that answer is whose answer is possible in yes or no is known as a yes no questions. A question whose answer is not possible in yes or no is known as a WH questions. How means yes no question means what? Means if I am asking like that, are you studying? You can say yes sir or no sir. While if I am asking like that, what are you studying? You cannot give me answer in yes or no. You have to give the answer in a sentence or maybe in a group of words. If I ask what are you studying, you have to tell me like sir I am studying maths or English likewise. So those questions answers possible in yes or no is known as yes no questions, or questions whose answer is not possible in yes no is known as a WH questions. Clear? Next is imperative sentence. Now what is imperative sentence? A sentence that express request, command, advice, suggestion are known as a imperative sentences. For example, shut the door. Clear? Shut the door. And you can say please do this just now. Many sentences are there like do not disobey your elders. So many sentences are there. So imperative sentence means a sentence express request, advice, command, order, suggestion. This kind of a sentence known as a imperative sentence. And all imperative sentence ends with full stop. Clear? Next, the and last sentence is exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentence means a sentence that express sudden or strong feeling of joy, sorrow, anger, surprise is known as an exclamatory sentence. For example, what a noise they are making. How sad it is. And all the exclamatory sentence always end with a exclamation mark. Exclamation mark means a mark like this. Clear? So this is in this today's video I explained the sentence in detail. Means now just take a quick revision of this chapter. What I explained means first I explained what the sentence. What is the sentence? A group of words which makes complete sense is known as a sentence. Every sentence can be divided into two parts, subject and predicate. What is the subject? Subject means the part which names of the person or thing we are speaking about is known as a subject. Predicate, the part which tells something about the subject, is known as a predicate. Further kinds of a sentence, there are four kinds of a sentence: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. What is the assertive sentence? Assertive sentence makes a statement or assertion, is called an assertive sentence. Assertive sentence further can be divided into two parts: affirmative and negative. Next is interrogative sentence. Second one is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence also can be divided into two parts, in yes or no type questions. Yes, no type questions and WH questions. Third one is imperative sentence. A sentence that express order, command, request, advice, suggestion is known as a imperative sentence. The last fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, a sentence that express sudden feeling of or a strong feeling of joy, sorrow, anger, delight, surprise, wonder, is known as a exclamatory sentence. So that was your first chapter. I have explained in a detail. I hope you understand the chapter very well. Now go through that chapter once again and try to understand the topic or try to understand the concept of this chapter. Okay, so I hope your all doubt has cleared now, and complete the exercise which is given in your book.